This is day 2 of my second picnic, and this time I'm going with a friend. I'm just waiting for her, and I think it's gonna be really fun. It's really therapeutic also when you go with someone else. I mean, going alone is nice, but going with someone else makes it sometimes even more fun, just depending on the type of person you are. So I'll keep you posted. We really want to fly a kite.
But where's the nearest academy off of I-10, right? Yes.
I think so, yeah.
Okay, we'll go there.
Well, there's one this side.
This side?
Yeah.
No, there's one that way too.
This one is closer.
We finally made it and we got lost. We got really lost, but we made it and it's already 9 p.m.
And it's dark.
and it's dark, but it's gorgeous. Like, look how peaceful it is.
Okay.
I don't know if they can see, maybe.
Trying to use what we call technology.
Yeah, so we'll just sit around and have
Some food.
have a bite.
'Cause I'm hungry.
But we made it.
Yes.
We got lost
Many, many times.
many times. We cannot emphasize how much we got lost. So we're gonna have a bite now, and I brought my friend some water and I made her a small salad jar, and I also made her a fruit jar. I don't know if you can see. Not really. Okay. And then I made myself the same thing over here, and then I brought her carrots, and we're gonna just eat for a while and enjoy this beautiful view. There's actually a lake over there. You can't see it because it's really dark, but it looks gorgeous. And there's a duck right here. I don't know if you can see it. We couldn't find a kite, and instead we got a frisbee. Oh, I don't see. But it's really dark, and we might hit something, or I might hit my friend, or she might hit me. So we're gonna leave this for another day. But we're really enjoying this chill weather as well as the view, and we already ate, so we're very happy. I recommend you go out with your friend, of course using a mask, or by yourself, and just enjoy a day without any distractions.
Look at us listening to coffee jazz music.
Coffee jazz music while walking is the best thing ever, in my opinion. And I just want to emphasize how beautiful it's here.
I wish we came a little bit earlier.
I do too, but I mean, we got lost, and it is what it is.
Shout out to the person that helped us find our way.
Yes, a very nice man helped us get to this park. We were very lost.
She was just like, okay, I need to memorize these streets.